Hello friends, I am glad to welcome you on this channel, and in this video I will tell you and also show you how you can easily measure distance in Google Maps application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes and also be sure to write your comments at the end of this video. So let's get to our topic. Please open up the Google Maps app on your phone. And select a point that you're comfortable with. And long press on it. Now at the bottom, select the distance. And so you can see the distance from the point you selected to some other point. And now, to add another point, click on the plus sign. And now, as you can see, we found the distance from one point to the second point. And now we can move on to some third place. You can also press the plus sign, and each point, it will be fixed in this way. And you will be shown the total distance between all the points in the long gentle corner right here. And as you can see, the distance between all my selected points is 3 kilometers. And I can see from which point the distance goes. That's how, friends, you can easily measure the distance in Google Maps app. I hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care.